Today, I have an exciting tutorial that many of you have been asking for, how to block these pesky ads on Chrome websites. As you can see on my screen, this ads, if you do not close them, normally you will not be able to use the website. Stick with me as I guide you through each step to enjoy an ad-free browsing experience. We all know how annoying and intrusive ads can be, right? If you're tired of being bombarded with ads that hijack your attention and slow down your browsing, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you have the power to regain control of your online journey and surf the web in peace. Let's start. Click on these dots to access the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select More Tools. In the Chrome settings page, scroll down until you find the Extensions option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to open the Extensions page. In the Extensions page, you see a search bar in the top left corner. Type Adduad into the search bar and press Enter. This will initiate a search for the Adduad extension in the Chrome Web Store. Among the search results, you'll find the Adduad extension. Click on it to open its details page. Then, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Once the extension is successfully installed, on step 2, click on Continue with Extension. You'll see its icon appear in the top right corner of your Chrome browser, next to the address bar. To make it easily accessible, right-click on the Adduad icon, and from the context menu that appears, select Pin to pin it to the toolbar. With Adduad now active, it will start blocking ads automatically as you browse the web. When you visit websites, including TotalCorner.com, which previously had ads, you'll notice that the ads no longer appear. Adduad works silently in the background, ensuring a smoother and more ad-free browsing experience. One of the remarkable features of Adduad is its ability to display the number of ads blocked. You can easily keep track of this by clicking on the Adduad icon in the toolbar. It will show you real-time statistics, including the number of ads blocked on the current website and overall statistics for your browsing session. This information helps you appreciate just how effective Adduad is in eliminating unwanted ads from your web experience. And there you have it. Say goodbye to those annoying ads and hello to a cleaner, more efficient internet experience with Adduad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Until next time, happy browsing.